Welcome to our channel, where we reveal the secrets to building wealth through real estate. What your broker won't tell you is that you don't need a fortune to get started. With just $10,000, you can begin your journey to financial freedom. I've been in the real estate game for over a decade, and I've seen people from all walks of life achieve success. My own story started with a small investment, and now I'm dedicated to helping others do the same. In this video, I'll share a 10-step plan to invest in real estate with just $10,000. From Agitation to rental properties, we'll cover it all. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get started and start building wealth through real estate. So let's get started and turn 10K into riches. You want to build wealth through real estate, but don't know where to start. Your broker says you need a lot of money. But what if you only have $10,000? That's a common problem. Many aspiring investors are stuck, unable to get started. They're told to save more, to wait for the right moment. But the right moment never comes. Meanwhile, the housing market keeps going up, and it seems like everyone else is getting ahead except you. You're eager to start building wealth, but don't know how to get started with limited funds. You've heard of real estate investing, but it seems complicated, and you're not sure if it's right for you. You're worried that you'll make a mistake, that you'll lose your money. But what if you could get started with just $10,000? What if you could begin building wealth, creating a passive income stream without breaking the bank? That's what we're going to explore today. So, you want to get started in real estate with just $10,000. That's a great first step. Your broker might tell you it's impossible, but we're about to share a secret. It's not. With the right strategy, you can turn $10,000 into a real estate empire. Let's dive into our 10-step plan to invest in real estate with just $10,000. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it rental income, capital appreciation, or a mix of both? Once you know what you want, you can start building your plan. Step 2. Educate yourself. You don't need to be a real estate expert, but you need to understand the basics. Our affiliate partners offer great courses and resources to get you started. Step 3. Choose your investment strategy. Will you invest in REITs, real estate crowdfunding, or directly in rental properties? Each option has its pros and cons. REITs are a great way to get started with low capital, but rental properties can provide higher returns. Step 4. Build your team. You'll need a real estate agent, a property manager, and possibly a lawyer. Don't worry, you don't need to hire them all at once. Step 5. Find a great deal. This is where the magic happens. You need to find a property that fits your investment strategy and budget. Step 6. Secure financing. You might need to get creative with your financing options. Our affiliate partners offer low-cost investment platforms to help you get started. Step 7. Inspect and appraise. Once you've found a property, it's time to inspect and appraise it. Don't skip this step. It's crucial to avoiding costly surprises. Step 8. Negotiate and close. This is where you'll negotiate the price and close the deal. Stay calm and patient. It's a process. Step 9. Manage and maintain. Congratulations, you're now a real estate investor. It's time to manage and maintain your property, and our property management tips will help you do just that. Step 10. Scale and repeat. Once you've got one property under your belt, it's time to scale and repeat the process. Remember, real estate investing is a long-term game. Stay focused, stay patient, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Now, I want to share with you a resource that's helped me and many others get started in real estate with minimal investment. I've partnered with real estate investing courses to offer you a comprehensive guide to investing in real estate. With their courses, you can learn how to analyze properties, manage rentals, and build wealth through real estate. Many students have reported significant returns on their investments, some even achieving financial freedom. If you're ready to take the first step, click the link in the description below to sign up for their courses. As a special bonus, use the code 10KTORICHES at checkout to receive a discount on your enrollment. Don't let limited funds hold you back from building wealth. Start your real estate journey today.